Hi, I'm Austin Gear, founder and president of Cosmic Nutrition, and today with me, I have Jacob Montenegro, or as he likes to be known as Buddha. Buddha is going to be joining the CBN team as our first sponsored athlete. So Buddha, tell me, why do you want to partner with CBN and use CBN's baseball pre-workout, Tending?
I want Tending to help me power and energize me through all my practices, workouts, and games. Thank you, Austin and CBN, for making me the first sponsored athlete.
Buddha, that's great to hear. We're looking forward to seeing how you play and progress as the season gets underway.